We propose two online learning algorithms for modeling the personal preferences of users of interactive systems. The proposed algorithms leverage user feedback to estimate user behavior and provide personalized adaptive recommendation for supporting context-dependent decision-making. Context-dependent decision-making is a cognitive process of selecting an action depending on the current situational context. In the daily use smartphones, users often need context-dependent decision-making to achieve their goals. For example, users repeatedly select their photos and add aesthetic image filters, then upload them to their SNS accounts. Repeated decision-making increases cognitive load and can cause decision fatigue. In this work, we propose online preference modeling for adaptive recommendation to support repeated user selection tasks. We particularly focused on a common application of image filter selection. We take a data-driven approach for predicting target user selections by using a database of other users' selections. The proposed approach needs to collect pairs of image and its selected aesthetic image filters from multiple users. We then apply the pair data to supervised learning algorithms to generate policies of past other users. A policy can predict a past user's filter selection for given images. The predicted filters supposed to be similar with the past user. We collected selection data from multiple users and generated a set of policies for our online preference modeling. We formulate preference modeling as online prediction algorithms over a set of learned policies. The algorithms adapt to a target user by learning the policy that best predicts of user selection. First, our online learner receives an image for filter selection. Each policy predicts suitable filter for the given image. The user then select a filter from candidates for the image. Online learner can access the user's selection. In this example, the user select the pink filter from 3 candidates for the dog image. The online learner gives rewards to policies in the set that predicted the correct filter. Our approach allows application designers to customize reward functions. In this case, the reward function adds just one reward value to policies. The online learner accumulate reward values for each policy over time steps. The learner use the current optimal policy to predict user selection and visualize personalized adaptive recommendation in each time step. We consider 2 settings of this online prediction problem. The first setting is already described in the previous slide. The first setting is allowed to obtain prediction results from all policies in a set. It can update the weights of all the policies sequentially to find an optimal policy for the given target user. We call this online prediction setting all prediction. We also consider the more challenging setting. In this setting, the online learner is not able to access all predictions from a set of policies. This setting easily occurs when an online learner has a large number of policies in a set or computational resources are limited, such as on mobile devices. In such a case, the learner is allowed to obtain a limited number of predictions in each time step. We call this setting limited prediction. In the we aim to design this algorithm to efficiently searches for an optimal policy from limited M observations. Unlike the first setting, the online learner is not allowed to access all prediction results in each time step. To address this problem, we used methods of the multi-armed bandit problem to efficiently explore better policies in a set. The online learner chooses M policies based on scores of bandit algorithms such as the KLUCB algorithm. We show an example of the limited observation setting. In this case, the online learner chooses 3 policies from a set of 6 policies in each time step. Online learner selects 3 policies based on bandit scores for exploration-exploitation balancing. The online learner obtains 3 predictions from the selected 3 policies. The predictions are probabilities of each image filters for given images. The online learner computes exponentially weighted averages of probabilities based on rewards of policies. The rationale is to combine multiple policies to generate personalized preference models for target users. The online learner then obtains user filter selection to update the preference models. In this case, the user select the pink filter. The online learner then updates rewards of selected policies. In this case, policy A and C predicted the pink filter as top 1, and thus receive reward value 1. The online learner continuously accumulate reward values for personalized modeling. Again, the application developer freely design reward functions. We applied the proposed algorithms to an image filter selection application. In this scenario, users were asked to select a suitable filter for a given image based on their preferences. This application can present the top 3 recommendations of image filters from the proposed algorithms. The algorithms sequentially learn target user preferences based on the features of the given images and user filter selections. The figure shows our GUI interface for image filter selection. The interface contains several GUI components such as image preview, filter view with the top 3 recommendations, and image sequence buttons. The interface has the original image and 8 image filters on the candidate filter view. Users can select a filter by clicking on it with a mouse. The image preview then shows an image with the selected filter applied. Users can freely compare filters to make a selection. We built a dataset on the image filter application to evaluate our algorithms. We recruited 16 university students. 7 of the participants had never selected image filters for photo sharing SNSs due to the use of supervised learning for policy generation. A small amount of selection data makes policies with poor performance. We thus decided to collect 300 selections from each participant to learn a policy that can reflect the participant's preference. We thus obtained 300 user selections of image filters from all 16 participants, totally 4,800 pairs of images and filters for the dataset. Note that the application did not show any recommendations during the data collection process. We investigated how accurately the proposed algorithms are able to predict user selections and how filter recommendation affects user selection and behavior. In this presentation, we describe the overview of evaluations. Please read the paper for the details of 3 evaluations if you have interest. The first evaluation compared our algorithm with baselines in the all prediction setting. We used supervised learning and bandit algorithm as baselines. The evaluation shows that our online learner made better personal preference models for each user dataset over baselines in several metric. We also changed reward functions for updating policies. The result showed that the prediction performance was tunable by changing reward functions. The second evaluation investigated the impact of numbers of learned policy in all prediction setting. We changed numbers of policies in a set for our method. The results show that the prediction performance was able to improve as the number of policies in a set increased. The third evaluation investigated prediction performance in limited prediction setting. We compared our method with 2 previous methods as the baselines. The previous method is similar with our method, but there is difference about use of selected M policies. Both baselines select M policies and then use one policy for prediction and update rewards of the selected M policies. The results showed that our algorithms are robust under challenging limited prediction settings in which a smaller number of expert policies is assumed. This slide shows a brief summary of our pilot user study. We investigated how visualizing recommendation affects users' filter selection behaviors. We recruited 16 participants. In the user study, we compared our visualized condition with no visualization in 100 filter selection tasks. The result indicated no significance in a metric of selection time. However, in subjective metrics, the participants overall liked our visualized condition. The subjective results indicate that our recommendations reflect target user preferences and give participants cues to make satisfying filter selections. We summary the main contributions. First, we propose a preference modeling algorithm for adaptive recommendation formulated as online prediction problems using past users' selection data. Second, we extend our algorithm for limited observation setting in which our online learner is allowed to access limited numbers of predictions. Finally, we develop a photo filter application with filter suggestion and create filter selection dataset for our evaluations. Thank you very much for your attention.